So next, scalar number 5, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix ki hobo? Ami diagonal matrix ki boli koisilo? Eta square matrix of diagonal matrix boli ketia kwa hobo? Zetia ter non-diagonal elements kini 0 hoy. That means zetia I is not equal to j hoy, tetia gutei kini elements ki hobo? 0. So scalar matrix hobo, a diagonal matrix to ke scalar matrix boli ketia kwa hobo? Zetia diagonal elements kini same hobo. ঠিক আছে? So likha a diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if its all diagonal elements are equal. That is what? That is a matrix A equal to Aij of order m or n is called scalar matrix if what? Aij equal to 0 when I is not equal to j and Aij equal to k when I equal to j, and k is what? Where k is some constant. So what is the example of scalar matrix? For example, what? A equal to all the diagonals elements are equal বুলি কৈছে. So কি হ'ব? যদি আমি এটো 5 লওঁ, so গোটেই diagonal elements খিনি কি ল'ব লাগিব? 5 এ ল'ব লাগিব. So and all the non-diagonal elements are 0. So this types of matrix is called scalar matrix. ঠিক আছে? So next, identity matrix. Number 6, identity matrix. Likha a scalar matrix is said to be identity matrix if its all diagonal elements are 1. That is what? That is a matrix A equal to Aij of order m or n is called identity matrix if what? Aij equal to 1 if I equal to j and 0 if I is not equal to j. And identity matrix is denoted by what? Identity matrix is denoted by capital IN of order what? N. So what is the example of identity matrix? All the diagonal elements are equal to 1. So that is what? Suppose I equal to 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 or 1 0 0 1. So it is the identity matrix of order 3 and it is identity matrix of order 2. So these types of matrices are called identity matrix. ঠিক আছে? So next, এতিয়া তোমালোকে scalar matrixত এটা কথা চোৱা. Scalar matrixত কি আছিলে? All the diagonal elements are equal. ঠিক আছে? That means Aij equal to k when I equal to j and where k is any constant. That is what? যদি আমি ইয়াত k equal to 1 দিওঁ, then ইয়াত to 1 আহি যাব. So হেতু কি হ'ব? Identity matrix হ'বনে? হ'ব. So লিখা note Scalar matrix কি হ'ব? Scalar matrix may be identity matrix when k equal to 1. ঠিক আছে? So that means what? Identity matrix is a type of scalar matrix. ঠিক আছে? So next number 7, zero matrix. Zero matrix means what? A matrix is said to be zero matrix if all the elements are zero. That is what? A matrix is said to be zero matrix if all its elements are zero, and the zero matrix is denoted by capital O. Denoted by capital O. For example, what? Capital O equal to 0, zeros, or 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this all are zero matrix. Next, equality of matrix. Sorry, matrices. Equality of matrices কি হ'ব? আমি দুটা matrix consider কৰি ল'ম. সেই দুটা matrixক আমি equal বুলি কেতিয়া ক'ম? যেতিয়া দুটা matrixৰে order same হ'ব. আৰু এটা condition satisfy হ'ব লাগিব. কি condition? ধৰি ল'লো আমি A আৰু B matrix দুটা equal বুলি ল'লো. সেই equal matrix হ'বলৈ কি হ'ব লাগিব? প্ৰথমতেতো আমাৰ অৰ্ডাৰটো সেম হ'ব লাগিব। তাৰ পাছত কি হ'ব লাগিব? এৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো এলিমেন্টস corresponding elements খিনি B ৰ equal হ'ব লাগিব। ঠিক আছে? সো লিখা two matrices A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij are said to be equal if what? So first condition is they are of same order. That is what? Order of the matrix A is equal to the order of the matrix B. And number two is what? All the elements of A is equal to the corresponding elements of B. That is the element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. That is what? That is Aij equal to Bij for all I and J. So for example, if we consider A equal to suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the order of A? 2 by 3. And so B must be what? Order of 2 by 3. And next condition is what? All the elements of A is equal to the corresponding elements of B. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ঠিক আছে? So ইয়াত 1 or corresponding element কিমান? 1. So 1 is the 2 corresponding element ki 2. So 2 is the 3 corresponding element ki 3. So গোটেইখিনি মিলি আছে. So these types of matrices are called equal matrix. ঠিক আছে?